Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make your Twitter account private. So if you want to make your Twitter account private, or you want to private your Twitter account, what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Twitter accounts. So when you open your Twitter account, you will see like this all the posts on this home page. And now what you have to do is just click on this your profile pic, and after clicking on the profile pic you have to scroll down, and here you will see setting and privacy option. Go into setting and privacy option. After going into setting and privacy option, here you will see privacy and safety option. Just click on it, and here you will see lots of options, but you have to click on audience and tagging. Just click on it, and here you will see protect with tweets. So just turn it on. So that's it. Like this you can protect your or private your Twitter account. So you will see here lock option. I'm going to reopen this app. I'm going to reopen Twitter app, and you will see beside my username a lock option, a lock. So like this you can make your Twitter account private. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.